How to install YouTube web app on Windows. Method 1. Install YouTube app on Windows 10 from Microsoft Edge browser. Method 2. Install YouTube app on Windows 10 from Google Chrome. Hint: you may use the Create shortcut option to install YouTube. Last but not least, you may also try some alternatives to YouTube app. YouTube is the most popular video sharing platform in the world, but it's not the only one. There are a number of other platforms that offer similar features, including Vimeo is a video sharing platform that focuses on high quality, professional content. It has a smaller user base than YouTube, but it's a popular choice for filmmakers, musicians, and other creative professionals. Dailymotion is a French video sharing platform that's popular in Europe. It has a wide variety of content, including news, entertainment, and sports. Twitch is a live streaming platform that's popular for gaming and esports. It also has a growing community of creators who stream other types of content, such as music and art. Bilibili is a Chinese video sharing platform that's popular for anime, manga, and gaming. It has a large user base in China and is growing in popularity in other parts of the world. Nico Douga is a Japanese video sharing platform that's known for its user-generated content. It's popular for anime, music, and comedy videos. These are just a few of the many alternatives to YouTube. If you're looking for a different video sharing platform, be sure to explore your options. Here are some other factors to consider when choosing a YouTube alternative. Content what kind of content are you looking for? Some platforms focus on specific types of content, such as anime or gaming. Community do you want to be part of a community of like-minded people? Some platforms have more active communities than others. Features what features are important to you? Some platforms offer more features than others, such as live streaming or monetization options. Asterisk privacy. Asterisk how important is privacy to you? Some platforms collect more data than others. Once you've considered these factors, you can start to narrow down your choices and find the best YouTube alternative for you.